Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you that how you can reset your Instagram search page on Instagram. So let's jump into the video. What you have to do first, you have to open up your Instagram account. Then you have to go to your profile. So after that you have to click on this three dot bar icon in the top right corner. Then you have to scroll all the way down here until you find a option called search suggested content. You have to click on this option here. So after that you have to click on interested. Then there will be all the video and accounts that Instagram thought you were interested in. That's why they are suggesting that content or profile to you searches. So what you have to do, you have to click on the profile or the reel. Then you have to click on this three dot bar icon and you have to click on not interested, and you can pretty much choose any one of these options, and you have to go all the way back. And the step 2 is you have to click on search and you have to click on see all, and you have to click on clear all. After that you have to choose clear all and reconfirm it. Then you're ready to go. Now your Instagram search page will be restored. So I hope you find this video helpful guys. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.